Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here tap on the sounds and vibration section. Here you can see the sound mode section, the vibration and silent mode. We can switch these three modes just by switch them by this way. Also we here can set the vibration while the device ringing in the sound mode. Here we got the ringtone, notification and system sound sections. We can change the system sound, for example, by select one from the available sounds here. By the same way we can change the ringtone and notification sounds here. Also we got here the volume section. We can change the ringtone, media, notifications and system sound volume just by swapping these dots to the left or to the right side with your finger. Here we got also the volume buttons control just by using the switcher. When we'll activate the switcher, we'll use the volume buttons here on the right side of our device to change the medias, but also if we'll turn off the switcher, we'll use the volume buttons to change the ringtone volume. Also here we got the call vibration pattern. We can change it here by select one from these available patterns, a notification vibration pattern, and also we can change here the vibration intensity. We can increase or decrease the intensity here by swipe these dots to the left or to the right side. Also we got here the system sounds, and in sound section we can enable or disable the touch interactions, the screen lock or unlock sounds, the charging, dialing pad sounds, and Samsung keyboard, just keyboard sounds. By the same way we can enable or disable the vibration for the touches with the dialing pads, the notification gestures here, the charging sound and keyboard. And also here we got the sound quality and effects. We can enable or disable the Dolby items for gaming and to set up the equalizer here. So that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.